In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on Android. This is a full guide. Downloading Minecraft on Android is easy and it can be done in just a few minutes, whether you are using the official Google Play Store or a third-party source. Here's a complete guide to help you install the game safely and start playing. To begin with, the most secure and recommended method is through the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store app on your Android phone, and in here, just type in Minecraft in the search bar, the way you see here, and enter. Make sure you choose the one published by Mojang Studios. This is the official version. Once you are on the games page, tap the price button, currently around $10, depending on your region, then hit buy or install. You may be asked to authenticate with your Google account, fingerprint, or password, depending on your settings. Once the download is complete, the game will automatically install and you will find it on your home screen or app drawer ready to launch. If you have already purchased Minecraft on another Android device using the same Google account, you don't need to pay again. Just visit the app page and tap install. Your purchase is linked to your Google account. For those who can't access the Play Store, maybe due to device restrictions or location issues, you can download the Minecraft APK from a trusted source like Mojang's official website or reputable APK sites such as APK Mirror or Aptoide. However, this method requires caution and follow the prompts. Always scan the file with antivirus software before opening it. Keep in mind that updates won't be automatic like they are with the Play Store version. Minecraft for Android is fully optimized for touchscreen controls and supports multiplayer features, mods, skins, and realms. After installation, you will be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account to access cross-platform play, cloud saves, and in-game purchases. Once you have installed it, make sure to allow auto updates in your Play Store settings or manually check for updates to enjoy the latest features. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.